Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do this little quick project I've been wanting to do for a long time. Just never did it. And it's for my chickens. So I don't know what you call it, but basically I want to put an area in the chicken run where I can grow, well, this particular time I'm going to grow some black oats, but you could grow other grasses and whatnot, maybe some wheat or something in there as well. But I want to, I'm going to make a box with mesh on the top of it so that the oats can grow up and then the chickens can peck on the top of it. I'll try to put a photo of what I'm talking about on the screen. But yeah, it should be a quick and easy process. I'm basically just using old scraps and stuff that I already have, and just wanted to take you guys along with me and show you how I tackle this project. All right. Well, the first thing I'm gonna do. This is the smallest piece of mesh that I have because I got a bunch of different just hodgepodge of mesh. I'm gonna measure this. We're at 23 inches. Okay, so that will determine how wide my this structure is going to be. Um, so I have two 8 foot 2x4s, so I can cut 2 feet off of each of them to make the ends, and then I can and then it'll be roughly a little more than 6 feet long, 6 feet 3 inches long. So let me get those cut, and then we'll come back to the next step. All right, well, that's pretty much the shape of it right there. I don't know if I'll have enough mesh to get all the way to the end. I think I should, but um, if I don't, I'll just cut the ends off and bring it in closer. That's fine. And I cut these little blocks right here because they're going to go in the corners for me. And then I think I want this one turned the other way. Yep. And then I'll drill it all together, and I'll bring you back after that. All right, now I'm going to take these. These were 2x4s that I had ripped down into. I think they were an inch. I think they're about an inch right there. Um, and that's what I like to use to put the mesh on top. I'll go down like this right here, and I'll even it up. Drill a screw down through it. Drill a screw down through it, and then I can still lift this up to slide this under it and overlap it a little bit. I'll probably put that under here. Yeah. But either way, overlap it a little bit and then go all the way down to the end, just like that. All right, so far so good. So now I need to trim up the excess right here and right here, and trim this off after that. And then I have to cut pieces to go right here where the mesh combines. I'm gonna drill two pieces of board together right there and right there. So I need 4 pieces for that, and then it'll be done. So let me get that done. All right, well that's that. It's all put together, nice and sturdy. So the grass will be able to grow up from the bottom there. Well, the oats that I'm gonna put in there will be able to grow up from the bottom there, and the chickens can peck it from the top. So let's go ahead and take it over to the chicken run. So I figured I'd rake that out a little bit so that I get good seed to soil contact. Let me sit this over here. See how level it sits. Yeah, I think that's gonna work out just fine. And I'm going to, let's see, I want to attach it to that back piece there. I think I can do it like that. Well, let me put down the seed first. I don't think it needs much. I don't know, I might be able to put the seed. Right. This. That. Oh yeah. All right, well, I think that's a job well done. I'll keep everybody updated on how well this does. All I need to do right now is water it. We should get a little bit of rain tomorrow, but I'm gonna go ahead and water it today. And as it grows and as they start using it, I'll update everybody on how it's going, and if there was anything I should have done differently. I was thinking about doing a top that opens, you know, but I didn't have any hinges and stuff here with me, so I didn't want to run out. So I just wanted to use stuff that I had here at the house. This practically, I mean, at some time, what are y'all doing? Watch out, watch out. At some point I bought the 2x4s, but right now I'm repurposing this, and all this is all repurposed. So, just something cool to do, and I'm hoping that the chickens like it. What's up, Pearl? What's up, Maggie? Well, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links, and I will see you in the next video.